Good day everyone po. Today I am proud to present Citadela Townhomes, a modern and affordable residential community located in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Citadela Townhomes is designed for Filipino families who want accessibility, comfort, long-term property value, and if you're looking for a practical home investment po near Metro Manila, this is project definitely worth considering po. Kasi sobrang ganda po ng mga bahay po namin in this Citadela Townhomes po. Today po, very excited po ako to share with you for one promising projects po in Santa Maria, Bulacan, in Barangay Punong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. If you're someone na naghahanap po ng sariling bahay na affordable, accessible at magandang investment, I believe po na this project po is worth for your time po. Citadela Townhomes po is located in Punong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Personally po, kung gusto dito is tahimik po yung area and hindi po siya traffic level. Sobrang maganda po yung traffic dito. Hindi po talagang maluwag and hindi po nakakaranas ng sobrang malalaking traffic. Pero hindi naman din po siya liblib. Malapit din po siya sa city area. Perfect siya po for families na gusto ng mas relaxed na environment pero reachable pa rin po sa Metro Manila po. Units are released po na per batch and based on experience, early buyers po usually get better pricing and better lot selection. Kaya kung interesado po kayo na bumili ng bahay, mas okay po talaga na mas maaga po kayong bibili. So let's talk about the actual house po, kasi ito naman po talaga yung pinaka-importante po pagdating po sa mga bahay po ninyo. Siyempre yung itsura ng bahay na bibili ninyo. So ganito po yung itsura ng bahay. We have two house models po. 52 square meter floor area po, townhouse, and second po is a 68 square meter floor area po. Both are 2-story townhouse po. Personally po, kung starting family po kayo, okay na okay po itong si townhouse 52 square meters. Kung medyo bigger family naman po, mas comfortable po yung hinahanap ninyo, I recommend po yung townhouse 68 square meters naman po. Mga underground drainage po, kaya sigurado pong hindi babaha sa area ninyo. Concrete po yung roads, 12 meters wide po, and hindi lang po bahay po na meron dito sa Citadela Townhomes po. Community po talaga ng mga tao yung pina-priority po namin dito sa area, yung convenience po ng mga magre-reserve po ng bahay dito sa amin. And as you can see po sa amenities map po namin, strategically placed po yung mga clubhouse and basketball courts, and family-friendly po yung environment po namin dito. Model units location po namin, ito po yung Townhouse 52, dun sa orange area, if you can see po, actual units po available ang model houses namin for viewing po. And we highly recommend po na i-visit nyo po yung area namin para mas ma-feel nyo po yung space po namin pagdating dun sa Citadela Townhomes po. And also po, honestly po, buying a home is a big decision po talaga. But if you're looking something affordable, accessible, and may potential for appreciation po, Citadela Townhomes po is a strong option po. If you're interested po, let's schedule po sa site viewing po and we will be happy to assist po personally po dito sa Citadela Townhomes po. Sana po magustuhan niyo po yung Citadela Townhomes and mag-message lang po kayo kung ano po yung gusto nyong mapuntahan para malaman po namin kung ano po yung personal po ninyong gustong mapuntahan dito sa Citadela Townhomes po.